Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're simplifying expressions with surds. Okay, so when you're looking at surds and simplifying them, you want to think about perfect square numbers like 4. 2 squared is 4, and then 3 squared is 9. So let's make this list. You should make this list yourself until you get them memorized. 36 next, of course, anyway. So these are the most useful up to 100. Maybe you can go a couple more. 11 squared is 121. 12 squared is 144. So 50, you want to look for the biggest number in this list that goes into 50. That will be 25. You can write root 50 as root 25 root 2. And root 25 is 5. So it's 5 root 2. 5 times square root of 2 is the same as root 50. So same thing with 108. 108 looks like it's going to be maybe an even number goes to 108. So let's start with half of 108, which is about 50 something. 49 doesn't go into it. 36, yes, this is 3 times 36. So you can write root 108 as root 36 root 3. And root 36 is 6. And you have 5 times 6 times root 3. The whole thing is 30 root 3. Okay, next you can add, subtract surds sometimes if they all simplify to the same surd bit. So let's check this out. Root 72, that's again 36 is root 36 root 2. This one is root 25 root 2. And 4 goes into 12, root 4 root 3. So this is 6 root 2 minus 5 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Now these are the same. It's just like 6x minus 5x will give you 1x. In this case, x being the root 2. So that's 6 minus 5 is 1. It's just 1 root 2 plus 2 root 3 is the final simplified result. Okay, next, we got this, root 28, you can simplify that as 4, 7, root 4 root 7, and the square root of a to the power of 16 is a to the power of 8. Okay, so this is 2, a to the 8, we usually write the surd last, okay? Now this only works if a is greater than 0. All right, because if it's negative, then you don't get the a value back. Next, 45, that's 2 root 9. Now, if you got b to the power of 9, you can write that as b to the power of 8 root b. And now it's an even number, so you can square root an even number. This is going to be 2 times 3 is 6. Square root of b to the power of 8, well, that's b to the power of 4, because b to the power of 4 times b to the power of 4 is b to the power of 8 root b. Okay? I could probably leave that bit out. So next we got these numbers again, just consult with your list. 64 doesn't go into it, 49, no, 36, maybe 16, is that 7 times 16? That's root 16 root 6, and this is root 4 root 6, and this one is root 9 root 6, so that equals 4 root 6 minus 2 root 6 minus 3 root 6. That's negative 1 or root 6, or just you can write it as negative root 6. Okay, next one, we're multiplying. Let's see what happens. So you can multiply this out and get 3 root 12 minus 3 root 2 times 8 is 16. Now 12 you can write as root 4 root 2. And root 16 is directly 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So this is 6 root 2 minus 12. Okay, another way to do it is you can simply write this directly as 3 root 2 root 3 minus root 2 root 4 or something like that. And then when you multiply, the root 2's will cancel and give you a 2, and you get 6 Wait, did I mess that up here? 6 root 3. 6 root 3 minus, and then root 2 times root 2 here gives you 2, and then you got another 2, so that gives you 12 right away. So you can do this method as well. You can do this with algebraic expressions. Okay, when you multiply here, that's the same as root x minus 1 times x minus 1. And this one's going to be root x minus 1, x plus 1. So this is like x minus 1 squared. And this is x, and that's the difference of squares, so that becomes x squared minus 1. But this simplifies to x minus 1 plus root x squared minus 1.